Hey everyone, I just picked up this Casablanca Victorian at Habitat Restore this past weekend, and I got it for quite a deal on sale. It was marked at $10. Yeah, I got this thing for $8, so it was quite a steal. I have adjusted the low trim. This is not a Slumber Quiet. It is a variable speed, just like a standard solid state wall control. It's got that little cardboard box housing in it, and it's got a low speed trim adjustment, so I just set that, and now I just set it to low, so here we go with low. Alright, that's a nice low, and it's drawing 0.19. That's basically where I had it set to. That's kind of the best I could do. That low speed trim adjustment is very touchy inside. Just take an eyeglass screwdriver. And now I'm going to go through the speeds, just like I would with a solid state. See what it did. 0.2. Didn't do much. Let's see if that did anything. 0.23. Point 3. 0.4. I'm doing like, eighths of a turn. 0.56. And then here's high. With 0.82. And it is, I can hear a little buzz if I go up to it, so this one is slightly noisier than a Slumber Quiet. Slumber Quiet, it is more quieter than the solid state variable, but this is a K55 Victorian. So, alright. Time for spin down, and I'm going to reverse it and go through the speeds again. All right. Alright, it's got a good spin down, but 0.82 was my current draw that I got on high, so that's decent. I didn't do an airflow test. Me and Dan usually haven't been doing those on K55 since we know what they do. It's usually on a motor that we haven't tested yet on something new, so we know what K55s and gold lines do. Alright, here is reverse low. And I got the same current draw of 0.19. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to... This thing is really very fine adjustment. 0.19 on low, and I'm going to do reverse high with 0.81. Very, very minute difference. So yeah, this one with the variable speed, it does very, very minute. So, alright, I'm reversing it back. And I'm going to do this with the decade box. And let's see what I can get with the wall control. See where it starts. 1, 2. Oh, it started on 2. Very nice. And it's drawing 0.09 amps. So 0.09 amps on 2 microfarads of capacitance, just like basically simulating this kind of wall control, except I'm doing it with this decade box right here, which is 1 through 10 microfarads. I can add 20 and add 10, and there's the amp meter. That's telling me I'm drawing 0.09 amps, and that's actually good aesthetic low. Let's do 3 with 0.13, 0.13 amps. 4, 0.16 amps. Here's 5, 0.18 amps. Or actually it crept up to 0.19, so spot on with what I set it for a low speed on the variable. It's not bad. So here's 6.23, 7.27, 8.31. That's not a bad medium low. I would accept that. 9 microfarads with 0.35, 10.38, and here's 11. I just turned on the 10 plus 1, which is 11, 0.42, 12.45, and here's 13.47. Not a bad medium. 14.5, 15.52, 16.54, 17.56, 18.58, 19.59, and here is 20 microfarads with 0.61. So that's not a bad high medium, but 8 microfarads is already a little fast for a low speed. So I would either go with a 5.813 or a 6.814, which is what I have in my bedroom. So I would definitely consider this for a bedroom fan. I definitely would. So just for grins, since I'm only at 20, I'm at 25 with 0.67, 30.7, 35.73. Okay, I maxed out the whole capacitor test rig with 40 microfarads, and I'm drawing 0.75 amps. So definitely under, no resonant frequency with this. And I don't need to do, it's pretty quiet with the solid state control here, so, and it's the same solid state as in the rig, so I'm going to skip that and do 0 to high and watch the inrush current. Nope. It goes right to 0.82. 0.82 amps. And it doesn't drop. So that's typically with a K55. There's really no inrush on a K55 motor or a K63. So that is all I have for the for this Casablanca Victorian variable speed. So, and I will see you next time with another fan. Thanks for watching.